फॉर 444 वर्ड का पैरा है, 4 मिनट 44 सेकेंड की स्पीड होगी विद 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। स्टॉप वॉच दी गई है, आप टाइम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं जी। स्टार्ट। अवॉइडिंग अरेस्ट सिंस 28/8/2019, इन द वेक ऑफ dismissals, Secretary Union Council seeks bail in anticipation thereto, he is accused of having fabricated a fake death certificate of one Naseem Begum, on the basis whereof his co-accused attempted to hoodwink judicial process to grab valuable properties vesting in the lady, full stop. Upon disclosure, the scam was reported to the anti-corruption authorities, and pursuant to an inquiry, the petitioner has been arraigned as accused alongside the accomplices, full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner contends that alleged fabrication was reported after 5 years and in fact was committed by the officials at the higher rung, and that the petitioner was being haunted as a scapegoat to save the real culprit, It is argued that the co-accused have since been enlarged on post-arrest bail, and thus petitioner's remissions into custody is not likely to serve any useful purpose, relative to investigation, full stop. New para. Heard criminal petition number 169 of 2020, full stop. Grant of bail to an accused required in a cognizable and non-bailable offense prior to his arrest is an extraordinary judicial intervention in an ongoing or imminent investigative process, full stop. It is very mechanics of state authority to investigate and prosecute violations of law designated as crimes, full stop, to prevent arrest of an accused where it is so required by law is a measure with far-reaching consequences that may include loss or disappearance of evidence, full stop. The statute does not contemplate such a remedy, and it was judicially advanted way back in the year 1949 in the case of Hidayatullah versus the Crown PLD 1949 Lahore 21, with purposes sacrosanct and noble, essentially to provide judicial refuge to the innocent and the vulnerable from the rigors of abuse of processes of law, to protect human dignity and honor from the humiliation of arrest intended for designs sinister and oblique, full stop. The remedy oriented in equity cannot be invoked in every run-of-the-mill criminal case, prima facie supported by material and evidence, constituting a non-bailable cognizable offense, warranting arrest, an inherent attribute of the dynamic of criminal justice system with a deterrent impact, It is certainly not a substitute for post-arrest bail, full stop. The petitioner was at the helm of affairs when the bogus certificate was issued, Cognizance on the belated disclosure does not mitigate the culpability nor can be equated with mala fide, full stop. Release of co-accused on post-arrest bail is entirely beside the mark for the reasons stated above, full stop. View taken by the learned High Court of Sindh as well as learned Special Judge Karachi is in accord with law, being consistently followed by this court till date, full stop. Petition fails, full stop. Leave declined, full stop.